Hi guys, my name is Dylan and today in this video I'm going to show you a tool that I made to animate a creature or a character along a path. So let's get started. Okay, this is our scene. As you can see, here we have a walk cycle. I'm just working on this walk cycle, and this rig is provided by Truong. Thank you so much, Truong, for this wonderful rig. That's it. This is the cycle, and I created a path for it. I created this path and I created a terrain. This is the tool, FPath. It will take a bit time to load. Just wait. Okay, here it is. As you can see, this is the UI, JR follow path 2, JR for in Dutch. And there are some menu and options, and I will go one by one. In each of these fields, there is a name on it. So the name represents the control that we need to load here. Okay, so this is for the head. Select the head and load it over here. Chest, load, middle, load.
Hip, tail, right leg, left leg, right back leg, left back leg. This is a master control, and this is the path.
Okay, and here you can find an option. So these numbers represent how many legs your character has. This character has 4 legs, so just leave it as 4. Just after you load all of your controls here, you need to save it. So go to File and save it. Just because when you accidentally close it, or you try to reopen it, or you click on New, what will happen is it's all gone. If you save it before you closing it, you can select one of the control and go to File and load it. That's why you need to save it. Discussed about our file menus 3 options like New, Load and Save. There is one more option called Replace. What is Replace? So here we are using this FK head. Let's say we like to use the IK head. So all we need to do is switch to IK, select the IK head, load. Then we need to replace it, because the second time when we try to load it, it will load the FK head instead. So we need to replace it. But in this case, I don't want to use this IK head. I'm going with the FK.
Okay, load, replace.
And the last option is exit. Exit is simply closing this tab. Okay, we are done with the loading and stuff. So now we can simply click on Run. But before clicking it, we need to rebuild our path. Go to Modeling, Curves, Rebuild. Increase the number of spans, like 150, 200, 250, 300 or something. Right now I'm going with 150. And the next thing is, we have to make sure our character is on the grid. That means our master controls translate and rotate values are in 0. We can simply click on Run. Yes. Okay, let's check whether it is working or not. Display. Okay, right now it's 32 frames. We need to find the end frame. How to find the end frame? Go to Edit and select U value. Go to your graph. You can find the U value graph here and look for the last key. The last key is on frame number 514. Put 514 here. This is our last frame. Cool, right? Our script will automatically calculate the length of the path, and it will animate according to that information. As you can see, there are a lot of slidings happening. Mainly those are curved portions where the character is turning. So before fixing that, I just figured something else. Like in here, our head is following the path, but the neck controls are still following this chest. We need to fix that. Go to the first frame. And here you can find Add to menu. Okay, in Add to menu there is an option called Head. So that means you can add any controls to the head. So I'm going to add this neck control. So select that neck control, go to Add to, click on Head. Just check it. Right now this neck control is following the head. Okay, if you want, you can add the second neck control as well. I guess this is fine. Now we have to fix the legs. Before fixing it, select all our legs. Go to Graph Editor and Curve, Bake Channel, and set the range, start frame 005, in frame 550. What is our time range? Yeah, 550 is fine. Okay, go to foot lock. Here you can find two options, auto lock and select lock. Both of them are really helpful. Auto lock, so this is the UI for the tool, and here you can find some options like start frame, end frames, and one more option called all legs. If you turn on this option, whatever you loaded here, it will be taken. Otherwise, it will taken from the selection. So right now we selected our legs, so no need to on this. And for the time range, if you didn't put anything in this time range, then the script will automatically take the time range from the timeline. I'm going to run it. Just simply click on lock. Okay, it will take some time, so I'm going to pause this video and I will be right back after it's finished. Okay guys, done. It took 2 minutes or something. Now it's time to check whether it's working or not. Cool, it's working fine. No slidings at all. Everything is fixed. So just imagine, in a single click you can fix all of your foot slidings in your scene. Cool, right? Yes. Okay, now we can check the select lock. Okay, this is the UI for JR select lock 2, and here you can find some options like select from time slider, start frame, end frame. The start frame and frame are the same as the previous two. Okay, what is select from time slider? If you on this option, you need to select the time range from the time slider. I will show you. Let's say I want this leg to be more wider. All I have to do is just to go to that frame or a frame where the foot is landed, 165 or something. Yeah, fine. I can just move that a bit wider and rotate it. Just select from 165 till 179. So that's important. So we selected it and click on lock. It's locked. But before 165, it snapped back to the previous position. So we need to fix that. Go to 165, select from 165 till 160, click on lock. It's locked. So this is the cool thing about this script. It will work forward and backward as the same manner. So that's it for the foot lock. Sorry, there is nothing in help. In edit, we already talked about U value. Two more options like remove. Remove is simply detaching our character from the path. Click on remove. Our character will snap back to the previous position. Just undo it. So next option is bake. Once you happy with all of your editing, you can bake it. By baking it, it will remove your path and all those stuff, and copy that information to those corresponding controls. That is the last step. So that's it. In the next video, I will show you what is happening behind the script so that you can manually do it. Please like, share with your colleagues, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.